Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about linking, part of web technologies course. In HTML, links or hyperlinks are used to connect different pages or sections of a website together. They are created using anchor tag and the href attribute. The href attribute specifies the URL, that is uniform resource locator of the page or resource that you want to link to. Here is an example of a simple link. This will display the text visit example.com as a link on the web page, which when clicked will redirect the user to example.com website. You can also create links to specific sections of a web page by using the ID attribute and specifying an anchor name in the href attribute. Here is an example. This link will, when clicked, will take user to the section of the page with ID section 1. You can also create links to specify sections of different web pages by specifying the page URL followed by the anchor name in the href attribute. Here is an example. This link when clicked will take the user to the section of the page 2 with the ID section 2. It is also possible to create links that open a new browser window or tab by using the target attribute and setting its value to _blank. Here is an example. This will open the link example.com in a new browser window or tab when clicked. Linking is one of the most important features of HTML, and it allows users to navigate through different pages and resources on a website. It also makes it possible to connect different websites together, which allows the creation of a vast and interconnected network of information on the internet. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.